Konnichiwa, Mina. This is the Anime Guy, where you, the viewer, come to me for good anime. The anime I'll be talking about today is called One Piece Strong World. One Piece Strong World is about the Straw Hat crew who are on a mission to save Nami once again because Nami gets kidnapped by a pirate by the name of Shiki because he's very impressed with her navigational skills and he wants her for his crew. And basically this movie follows Shiki and his crew. I give this movie a 7 out of 10. I will do an afterthought for this movie. Sorry if this review is too vague, but I feel if I said any more, I would just be spoiling the movie for you. Now, I wouldn't say this is a must-see movie right away, but rather if you're looking for something to watch in your free time and you don't have anything on your list, then check this movie out. But I wouldn't say you have to watch this movie as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and until next time.